Specific YouTube channels are reaching hundreds of thousands of subscribers with fewer than a dozen videos, without ever showing a face on camera. The strategy behind this growth relies on highly produced cinematic documentaries rather than generic financial advice or standard lists. This video provides a step-by-step walkthrough for building your own premium documentary channel using a production workflow that is 100% free. Locate the prompt guide in the description and download your copy before we begin the first step. By utilizing this AI-driven pipeline, high RPM monetization is accessible without the need for expensive microphones, lighting, or camera equipment. To start, copy the Stage 1 prompt from the guide and paste it into ChatGPT to generate a list of viral video concepts. The AI will output 10 distinct ideas, each accompanied by a brief summary of why the topic is likely to perform well. Select your preferred topic, then paste the Stage 2 and 3 prompts into the same chat, specifying your desired video length. This process generates a structured script organized into a scene-by-scene breakdown, including timestamps and specific narrative goals for every segment. Finally, run the Stage 4 and 5 prompts to automatically create detailed image and animation instructions for every scene in your timeline. You have now automated the entire conceptualization and writing phase, which are typically the most time-consuming parts of the YouTube process. Take the completed voiceover script from ChatGPT and move it into a high-quality voice generation platform like ElevenLabs. Choosing an authoritative voice is necessary for the documentary format. Profiles like Don, Artisan, or Brad provide the professional tone required for this niche. Check your model settings and ensure V3 Alpha is selected. This specific model produces a more realistic performance, suitable for long-form content. A professional, authoritative narrator provides the credibility needed to keep a US audience engaged throughout the video. To create your footage, paste the image prompts from ChatGPT into a free generator like Google ImageFX or Leonardo AI. Manually add 16:9 aspect ratio to the end of every prompt. Omitting this instruction will result in square images that create black bars on the sides of the YouTube layer. Download the static image and upload it to a free video generator like Luma or Kling, then paste the corresponding animation prompt to add motion. This converts the static frame on the left into the dynamic, moving clip on the right, adding depth and cinematic scale to the shot. Before downloading, always select the Upscale to HD option to ensure the visual quality meets professional documentary standards. By combining these tools, you manufacture custom, high-budget B-roll that is specifically tailored to your narrative. Import your assets into CapCut, place the voiceover on the timeline, and increase the volume to around 5 or 6. Add your video clips above the audio and mute the original sound on those clips to remove any unwanted AI noise. AI video clips are 6 seconds long, often too short for the narration. To resolve this, reduce the clip speed to 0.8x or 0.9x. This stretches the footage to cover the entire duration of the voiceover segment. Generate simple auto-captions within CapCut to help maintain viewer retention throughout the video. Download cinematic, royalty-free music from a site like Pixabay and set the volume low so it sits comfortably under the narrator. This layering of voice, upscaled visuals, and a professional score is exactly what creates a high-tier viewing experience. The finished video combines smooth animation and narrative authority to reach the quality standards of top-performing finance channels. You now have a complete, monetizable video produced specifically for a global audience. This entire production was completed for free, without the need for a studio or on-camera presence. If you want a similar walkthrough for the 2D sticky animation style, comment Part 2.